how to connect the GameSir G7 SE to the Cronus Zen. You can use this controller with the Zen, but it depends on the firmware version you have. On the official Cronus support page, they explain that the GameSir G7 HE and SE no longer work when directly connected, but they also provide a way to fix the compatibility issues. Here's what you need to do. 1. Install the GameSir Nexus app, download it from the Microsoft Store on your Xbox or PC if you don't have it yet. 2. Set the polling rate. Inside the Nexus app, change the polling rate to 250 Hz or 500 Hz. Do not set it to 1000 Hz because the controller will not work with the Zen at that rate. 3. Update your firmware. Use the Nexus app to check for updates and install the latest firmware for your controller. 4. Open Zen Studio. Go to the devices section. 5. For Xbox and PC setup, start the app with the controller connected. Hold Xbox plus share until you hear the Windows disconnect sound or see the screen flash. Plug the top USB into the Zen. Connect the right side ROG port. Connect the controller to the Zen and wait for it to power on. Once the Zen is powered up, hold Xbox plus share again until you see the Xbox logo and controller icon. This puts the controller into mirror mode. After that, open Device Monitor in Zen Studio to make sure everything is working properly.